happy people? I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing a BTArtBox Christmas box. This video is a little bit late because I was out of town for the holidays, but now I'm back and I definitely want to make sure I still showcase this Christmas box to you guys. I'm not sure if it's still going to be available on the website, possibly. But if not, I know that the press-on nails that's included in the box will be. So, yeah, y'all, let's hop into this. So BTArtBox was kind enough to send me over this super cute Christmas box. They had 2 Christmas boxes, this holiday season, and I went ahead. If you all missed the unboxing of the first one, I'll leave that link down in the description box below. But this box is so adorable. My favorite part is this cute little puffy thing. It's like the top of your hat when you wear it during Christmas time. So cute. But on the box here, it says, let me just zoom out a little bit. It says BTArtBox, Merry Christmas. It's red and it has these cute little snowflakes on it. This is the side of it. The other side has all of their social media handles. And then this side. All right, so let's get it unboxed here. So this one is unboxed slightly differently. It's from the top and you just pull it open. How cute is this? Yeah, this one makes such a cute little Christmas gift. Super nice presentation. And so it came with the Nail Lush Nail Strengthener and Growth. This came in the other Christmas box as well. But I like this because it's good for helping to strengthen your nails when they might need an extra little oomph to it. So this is what that looks like. I'm going to pull out the one that I already have. Yeah, this is the one that I already have open that I've been using, but you just put these on your nails to give it some extra strength. So I have 2 of these, which is awesome. Like I said, this came in the other Christmas box that they had. Okay, and then it also came with cuticle oil, okay? And their cuticle oil, I think it's like a 2, it's like one where you have to shake up. So you just shake it up and then apply it to the nails. And again, I did have that from my other Christmas box. So this one here is already open. And I'll apply these once I'm done with my nail set for today. And the most exciting part is the press-on nails. So you get to choose 3 of the press-on nails. So I'm gonna unbox all of these. And I think this box is so cute. I like that it has like this little velvet piece to it. So this is a cute little, you know, really quaint, nice Christmas box. And it's something you can always like re-gift and use next year. Okay, so these are the 3 press-on nails that I chose. I'm gonna take a closer look at each one. So first one that I have here is this really cute, let me see if it has the name on it. I forget what the name of them is. I'm gonna put the names of them down below, but this is the packaging that it comes in. It's super cute. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys everything that comes in the box. So it comes with a total of 32 nails, and this one is the X-Coat press-on nail. So this one can actually be applied with nail glue. This can actually be applied with the UV nail glue. All of the X-Coat tips are like Gel X nails, so they can be applied with the UV nail glue, or you can apply it obviously with regular nail glue and or adhesive tabs. So let's take a look-see here. So again, I like the packaging as well. So again, these are all of the press-on nails that come, and I think this collection is so adorable, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and just showcase the ones that are in these little baggies, but it comes with adhesive tabs, which the BTArtBox adhesive tabs are actually really good. I've done full wear tests on these on my channel, so I'll link some of those linked down in the description box below, but they last up to 2 weeks with proper prep. We got the application manual instructions. It shows you how to apply the nails and remove them. And then it comes with the alcohol pad. It also has, like I said, the additional nails, a nail file, cuticle pusher, and the nail glue. Also, I've done wear tests with the BTArtBox nail glue. It is very good and very strong. You can get up to a month wear with that nail glue. It's really good. So let's take a closer look at this design, y'all. These are so cute. Yeah, look at these, y'all. I love that like frosted kind of chrome silver at the tip of the nail. It would be really cute, not only for Christmas time. I mean, I got them, I wanted to get some Christmas themed nails, but honestly, you can wear this any time of the year. Super adorable. Yeah, I really like the design on these. Yeah, look at that. Super cute. Yeah, I love that. Okay, so that's the first set here. The second set is these really cute tortoiseshell nails. Now these are the soft gel press-on nails, so these have to be applied with either regular nail glue or adhesive tabs. These cannot be applied using Gel X because the nails are not like translucent or transparent. Oh, these are so cute. Yeah, I love that. Oh, it says it's a size placement card. Okay, so this is a little different. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so it has like the pinky, the ring, the middle, pointer, thumb, and it lets you write down what number you are. My perfect sizes are. This is kind of cool to have in general, so that when you are going to do your nails, it makes it a lot quicker. I actually, in my phone, I have a note that I keep with all the different brands of press-on nails and their shapes and sizes and what my number is for each of those. That way I don't have to go through and size out my nails each time. So it's great that they include something like this. That's very nice. And then again, it also comes with the sticky tabs, alcohol wipe, additional instructions, nail it in seconds. Cute, cute, cute. So you want to go through and read those, make sure you're doing proper application. And then again, it comes with the additional nails, nail file, cuticle stick, and more nail glue. So I just want to take a look at each of the designs for these nails. So you get this really cute kind of like half one. And then you get one that has like this really cool design with the gold trim on it. Super cute. So this is the tortoiseshell nail that has like the little gold abstract. And y'all, these press-on nails are so strong and well made. And it's nice because you don't actually have to go in with the top coat when you're done with them either. But this is how they're fitting on the nail bed. Super cute and adorable. And it is a really good fit. They are a little bit thinner at the cuticle, so it allows for like a more natural look when you're applying them. And that nail bed color is also super cute. Oh, I love these. And then just to, you know, to see how it would look on the nail with the full design, super cute. And this is the reason, like I said, this isn't translucent, so that's the reason that this would need to be applied with nail glue or either a sticky tab. So this is a super, super cute design. I'm excited to wear these at some point. So cute. And then last but not least, we have this really beautiful cute blue cat eye, and these again are soft gels, meaning that they have to be applied with nail glue or either the adhesive tab. So let's take a look at these. Oh my gosh, so cute, y'all. Wow, look at these. I love that cat eye shift to these nails. Super adorable. Again, it does come with the white backing. It comes with instructions, adhesive tabs, nail alcohol pads, and then we got the nail file, cuticle stick, nail glue, and then the additional press-ons. So really quick, I just want to see how these fit and look. Oh, these are so cute, y'all. I am in love with these. Wow, that shift is everything. Do y'all see that? Okay, these are the ones I want to demo for sure. Like, absolutely adorable. Just want to do one more nail here. Get an idea. Yeah, y'all, super cute. Yeah, these are the ones I want to try out today. So I'm gonna do a quick demo. I'm gonna size my nails off camera. And I will be back. Well, I guess I can show you guys how I size my nails too. I know I get questions about how to make sure you get the right fit. I know my thumb is usually a 0, right? But the thing about it is when you're applying these press-on nails, you want to make sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. Now, I do still have like my natural nail hair. I'm going to clip those down so you can't see it underneath. But as long as the nails fit sidewall to sidewall, it should be like a perfect fit for you guys. I'm going to apply these doing adhesive tabs. I just want to show a quick demo of how to throw them on, and then Yeah, I'll be right back, but I'm gonna first go ahead and I guess size my nails out. Well, actually, first thing I'm gonna do is clip my nails down. So I'm gonna just clip them down really quick so that you can't see the press-on underneath my natural nail. And next thing you want to do with these press-ons in particular, I like to file down the side walls of the nails because they're almond shaped, and so you just don't want your natural nail to show on the side. So I'll just go through and do that really quick on all the nails. Alrighty, so all of my nails have been sized out and ready to go. These nails are so pretty, y'all. So the next thing you want to do is buff the surface of your nails. I'm going to skip that step. I do plan to pop these nails off right after the video. But I am going to go in with some alcohol. You all can use the alcohol prep pad that came with the nail kit. I'm just going to use some alcohol that I have here already ready to go. And I'm just going to dehydrate the nail really quick. And again, this is really just for demo purposes. Next thing you want to do is apply adhesive tabs to your nails. So I'm going to go ahead and apply them to all of my nails really quick. Now with the adhesive tabs, make sure you get them to fit like the full nail bed as closely as possible. I'm not going to worry about that too much because like I said, I do plan on just popping these off right after the video. But I'm just going to apply the adhesive tab to the full nail on all the nails. Like so. I have another sheet here I've been working off of. And I'm just going to get a sheet on every nail. Okay, and after you get a sheet on each nail, you want to go through and just remove the plastic backing on all of them, like so. Oops. There you go. I'm going to do the thumb off camera. And then I'm going to go through and I'm going to just slightly tuck the nail underneath the cuticle and then press down. And then you're ready to go, y'all. Super quick and easy to do. Actually, I'm going to do the thumb actually. It's not going to take too long. Then you just repeat that process. You'll just apply the nails, slightly tuck it and press down. Alrighty, the nails are on and ready to go. Look how quick and easy that was, y'all. Super adorable. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, and then what I am going to do too is I'm just going to rub down the surface of the nail with a little bit more alcohol just to bring back the shine on the nail. All right, you guys. Ain't she cute though? Yes, I am absolutely loving how these press-on nails turned out. You all saw it for yourself. I was able to get a quick, cute, and easy mani in less than 5 minutes. I think that this application method is really good if you just need to wear your nails for a couple of hours or even for like a day. This application method works really, really good. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are. I do plan to pop these off after 24 hours, but I am obsessed with how these nails are looking. Super, super cute. And so as you all can see, cute press-on nails in less than 5 minutes. I mean, you can't beat it. So yeah, another shout out to BTArtBox for sending these nails over for review. If you guys are interested in getting your hands on them, I will leave it down in the description box below. Like I said, the Christmas box may not be available anymore, but they do still have these styles available on their website. So I'll definitely link to all 3 designs that I have. These cute tortoiseshell nails, the cute frosted tips over here, and then obviously these gorgeous blue cat eye nails. I do have a discount code with BTArtBox as well if you guys want to save some coin while shopping their website. I'll leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below. And I also have a dedicated playlist to all things BTArtBox. So if you guys are interested, you know, different application methods for press-on nails and how to properly remove them, I'll leave that link down in the description box below. But yeah, y'all, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.